I'm going to show you how to use the constructions tool inside the textbook program. So if you're on your ClassLink, you should see this Pearson logo here. That's where you'll find your geometry textbook. Yours might look different than mine because I'm on the teacher view. So you come down here, Texas Geometry. Now I'm going to go to Browse. Yours, once again, might look different because you are on the student view. You should have a table of contents. On the table of contents, there's tools. On tools, there's math tools. We are going to use the geometric constructor. We're going to do constructions. Here we go. So one of the problems you'll see on your notes is constructing a perpendicular line. So we are going to need a line and a point. So let's go back to our 2D constructions. Let's draw a line, and to do that, you just drag it over. So I'm holding down my mouse. There we go. And I can make it shorter. Right now I'm clicking my mouse. If I grab the points, it'll swerve it around. And then I can move the points. I can make my line longer. I found it's best to have like it in the middle when doing a construction because some of them get kind of big. So there you go. So that's how you get a line. You don't need to start with the points on this first one here. It says place your compass on the given point P. Draw an arc across the line. So for ours, we don't need the points. So I'm going to just drag them all the way over. Well, we're just going to ignore them. I have not figured, I don't think there's a way to draw a line without the points. So A and B are going to be there, but we don't need them. And then we need a point. And that's point P on our notes, but it's going to label it C. So there you go. You have a line and you have a point. So we are going to follow these directions. We're constructing a perpendicular line. Place your compass on point P. Draw an arc across the line on each side of the given point. Do not adjust the compass with width when drawing the second arc. All right. Down on the bottom toolbar here, you have all these things. We're going to choose this one right here. That is your compass. You move your compass around. When you have it where you want it and the size you want it, you move here to make it shorter and longer. This will lock it. All right, so it said to put my compass on point P. And then you need to have it at least long enough that it's going to hit your line. All right, so that would be too short and that would be too long. See how it goes past your line? So you're going to draw tick marks. I might as well, since this point A is here, I'm going to do my tick mark right there. All right, so that is going to be long enough. It's going to go over my line and go over my line. So that's long enough. Hit lock. All right, so now it's ready to draw the tick marks. So it says draw an arc across the line on each side of the given point. So in these notes, the point is point P. Look here, on mine it's point C. So now with it, when it's in lock, I can click my mouse down. Look, it draws. And if I click it down, it'll draw again. Cool, huh? Now I'm moving it without holding the pencil part. See, it's not drawing. I'm still able to move it. So I moved it over here. Now when I click on the black part right there, it's going to draw again. There you go. And that's how I got those little marks. So that was step 1 on the notes here. Step 2, from each arc on the line, draw another arc on the opposite side of the line from the given point P. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take this and move it down now to where the arc crossed the line. It didn't say to adjust the length of the compass, so I'm just going to leave it how it is. and draw an arc. Then it's going to tell you to move it over here. See, I can swing it around without drawing as long as I'm not touching the black dot. Right here. And there we go. So now I did step 2. From each arc on the line, draw another arc on the opposite side of the line from given point P. The 2 new arcs will intersect. Now it says to connect those points. So I'm actually going to put, I'm done with my compass for right now. I'm going to put a little point here. So I'm going to connect that point to that point, the given point up there, C. I actually didn't need to put a point there. I mean, I can still just draw my line, and I have not found a, well, there's a measure tool here. You can measure how far things are apart. That's not really to draw a straight line. If you're going to draw a straight line, just drag over a line. I found it's pretty easy if I put the points. I wish there was a way that I could name my points. All right, there. Pretty good. So now I have constructed a perpendicular line from a point through a line. Now, if you don't trust me, this is where you can use your little measurement tool. It says select the part of the figure to view the measurements. So I think I might, D, can you move? Oh wait, let's put D here now. I think I might actually need the point to do the measurements. I'm not sure. Let's see. Bam. 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 90 degrees. Isn't that cool? So it is indeed perpendicular. I found that it's not always exact because I might, like, my dot might be a little bit off, and so, but it's always going to be really close to 90 when you do perpendicular. I hope you found this helpful.